Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I've come with the final part of the family tree. That was part 1 to the family tree, and this is part 2 in which we talk about all the children's and everything. That video was already too big, so I could not, make it more big. So, in this, we'll talk about their children and everybody. So, let's start. Now, the first book in the series, which is now we'll talk couple wise, not let's talk book wise, but couple wise. The first couple in the series is Luca and Arya. Now, they have a daughter, Marcella. Now, I have the laptop in front of me. Sorry. So that's why, whatever. So the first is Luca and Arya. Now they have 3 children in total. The first daughter is Marcella, and then they have 2 sons, which is Amo and Valerio. Now Marcella, the book with Marcella. Marcella is being paired with an MC, and it's releasing in September this month. So I'm really excited about that. And the Amo will be paired with Greta, who is the daughter of Remo and Serafina. Now, if you don't know who Remo and Serafina are, you need to check out my earlier part 1 so that you know all the couples and everything. And the third son, who is Valerio, now the details have not been yet released about who he is going to be paired with. Now we come to the Dante side, the Chicago side, because they are the second couple in the series. So it's Dante and Valentina. Now, first they have a daughter who is Anna, and second they have a son which is Leonas, and the third they again have a daughter which is Beatrice, and the pairs have not been yet released as far as I know. The next couple which we have is Dante and Valentina. Now they have 3 children in total. First is Anna, which is actually hers will be the second book in the series, which will come after the Marcella's book. Now she's paired up with Santino Bianchi. Now there's no history as in who he is, but I think I read somewhere he's a bodyguard or something. I'm not sure. We'll see when the book releases. Now the next couple is Matteo and Gianna. Now they only have one daughter, Isabella, and I just love the name Isabella. I don't know why. It's just like, I love it. That's it. Period. Now we don't know who she is paired up with. We know that she is very close in age to Flavio, who's actually the second child of Liliana and Remo. He was born a day after the birth of Isabella. Now, actually, the next couple is Romero and Liliana. The first is Sarah. The second is Flavio, who's, I've already told, a day younger to Isabella, and the third is the unnamed child. We don't know much details about him from the Born in Blood anthropology. If you've not watched that video, go and check it out in the channel. Now the next couple which we have is Growl and Kara. Growl is also Ryan, so whatever you call him. They have 2 sons, Maximus and Primo. It's like Max and Prime, like similar, whatever. That's what their names are. And I think I've told all about all the couples from the Born in Blood Mafia series. The next is the Camorra series, where first we have Fabiano and Leona. Now they have a daughter, Aurora Scuddery, and she is paired up with Nevio. So it's gonna be a really interesting book because they're gonna, like, they grow up together, and I just love it. I'm just like thinking it makes me excited. So waiting for the book. Then I think it's the 4th book in this series, 4th or the 3rd book, I'm not sure yet, but either of the two, because Marcella, Cora told herself that Marcella, she could not fit the story of Marcella and Maddox in one book, so it's going to be broken into 2 books. So first is Marcella, second we have Anna, third, I'm not sure if it's again Nivio. I mean, it's Nivio or it's again Marcella. Sorry, yeah, Marcella. So we'll see how it goes. Then the next couple which we have is Nino and Chiara. Now they have two sons, Alessio and Massimo. Now Alessio is the one who is actually the adopted one, and I think within 1 year she had Massimo, so they're like pretty close in age also. And there's a very close knit between Nevio, Greta, and Massimo and Alessio. Now the third couple which we have in the series is Serafina and Remo. Now they have the twins Remo and Greta, who I've been talking about. So I think among all of them, these both are my favorite, and because of this, I think Greta and Amo and Aurora and Nevio's book are the ones I'm like super excited about, like eagerly waiting to read. The next is Savio and Gemma. Now they have a child, but it's unnamed. We don't know their name yet. It's not revealed. And the last is Adamo and Dinara. They have a son, Roman, because we see in the last book in the series, that is Twisted Cravings, we see in the epilogue, or I think the epilogue, or like towards the ending, that Aurora is like a babysitter. She's playing the role of a babysitter because she wants to earn more money and her father won't let her actually do a job. So she's babysitting Roman. So that's how we know they have a child, Roman, named Roman, a boy named Roman. And that was it. I'm keeping this video short because the last ones have been big ones. So I'm keeping it short and like, to the point, just the family tree. I think the next, what I am going to do is the Wishes series. I forgot the name. The All Saints High, which is actually the spin-off, and Wishes, Ruckus, and all those books. Defy. I just forgot the name of the series on the screen. So I'll make a family, like the same thing I did with Cora Riley thing, I'll do with them, because these are actually primarily the books on which I'm gonna be uploading my audiobooks on. And already some audiobooks are already uploaded. Eagerly wait for the other ones. Put in the comment section if you're liking these, talking of me sitting and talking about the books. If you want to know, see more videos like this, just comment and let me know, so that I know that yes, you people are appreciating it. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. Thank you so much.